Just eyeball that one down to the center, Savannah. Just kind of eyeball it. Sure. Thing about stickers is you've got one critical dimension, and for us that's 1 inch, and then the other dimension really doesn't matter. You can tell we got all sorts of different thicknesses. You know, we got some like that, some like that, all sorts of different thicknesses. I usually don't go for that, but that's kind of how these turned out. We cut them from a couple of different scrap pieces of wood. These were actually scrap pieces that we had cut off of our other logs before. A lot of times we'll get these scrap pieces like this right in here, or like these, and we'll stack those up. We cut them all at 1 inch. That way we can stack them up with the rest of our stack, and then they're easy to go back and harvest and do whatever you want with them later. All right, guys, well, I'm gonna go ahead and sign off. Y'all don't forget to like and subscribe.